Good everyone, you're watching Radio Fixes. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix WMP network.exe high CPU and memory usage in Windows. If your computer is running slow or it is eating up tons of memory or a CPU after installing the updates, it is possible that WMP network.exe is having high CPU and memory usage. Now, there are a couple of steps you could follow to get this issue resolved. Before that, let's understand what is WMP network.exe. WMP network.exe is a part of Windows Media Player's network sharing service. It allows you to share media libraries with other devices over network. However, if you don't use this feature, it can unnecessarily hog your system resources. Now, the first step to resolve this issue is to stop and change the service setting. For that, you will have to do a right click on the start button and then click on run. In the run window, you may go ahead and type services.msc and then click on OK. Once you're on the services window, you will have to locate for Windows Media Player Network Sharing Services. It would be in alphabetical order. Once you find Windows Media Player Network Sharing Services, you can do a right click and then click on Properties. Under Startup Type, choose the option which says Manual. In case if it has been set to automatic, change it to manual. Click on Apply and then click on OK. Restart your computer. After rebooting, this service will only run when needed, reducing its impact on the system. Once you restart your computer, check the CPU usage and see how the computer is performing. In case if it works, well and good, you don't need to try the next step. Now the next step is to permanently disable WMP network.exe. To do this, you will have to do a right click on the start button and then click on run. In the run window, you may go ahead and type services.msc and then click on OK. That should open the services window. Once you're on the services window, just like the earlier step, locate for Windows Media Player Network Sharing Services. It would be in alphabetical order. Do a right click and then click on Properties and then click on Disable. Click on Apply and then click on OK. So if you don't use Windows Media Player at all, you can permanently disable these services. Close this window, restart your computer, and that should fix the problem. So in spite of trying this step, and if you're still facing a problem, the next method is to go ahead and uninstall Windows Media Player from your computer, in case if you're not using Windows Media Player. So you can do a right click on the start button and then click on run. In the run window, you may go ahead and type appwiz.cpl. This is the command line to open the programs and features window. Basically, it will give you the list of programs which are currently installed on the computer. Once you have the programs and features window, on the left hand side, you would see an option which says turn Windows features on or off. You will see an option which says turn Windows features on or off. Click on it. That should open the Windows features window. Under this, you will find the section which says media features, expand media features. Under this section, uncheck the box which says Windows Media Player or Windows Media Player Legacy. Click on yes, click on OK. Close this window and it will prompt you to restart your computer, or in case if it doesn't prompt you to restart the computer and check if your issue has been resolved. This should definitely fix the problem. Now in case if this doesn't resolve the problem, the next step is to go ahead and run the system file checker to see if there are any issues related to your Windows and that is causing high memory usage or the slowness in the computer. Now to run the SFC scan, you will have to open the command prompt. So in the search window, you may go ahead and type CMD. Once you see the best match for command prompt, you can do a right click and then click on run as administrator. In case if you get a user access control prompt, you may click on yes or continue on the screen. Once you have the command prompt open, you may go ahead and type the command SFC space / scan now and hit enter. This will start the system scan on the computer and this process will take some time. You will have to wait until the complete execution of SFC scan. Once this is done, you may go ahead and restart your computer. Close this window, restart your computer and check if your issue has been resolved. So basically this step will go ahead and repair the corrupt Windows files on the computer. This should ideally fix the problem. In case if this fixes the problem, well and good, you don't need to try the next step. Now the next step is to go ahead and turn off the media streaming in Windows settings. To do this, you will have to open control panel. So in the search window, you may go ahead and type control. You will see the best match for the control panel. Double click on it. This should open the control panel. In case if you're on a category view, you might want to switch to the large icon or a small icon view. Once you're on the large icon view, you will have to go ahead and click on network and sharing center. Under this, you will see an option for media streaming option. Click on it. Turn off the media streaming in Windows settings. You will have to choose the option which says block all. That click on OK. Close this window and that should turn off the media streaming in Windows settings. Restart your computer and check if your issue has been resolved. This should definitely fix the problem. So in spite of trying all this step, if you're still facing a problem, I would suggest you to leave me a comment in my comment section so that I can come up with the possible solution. So with these steps, you can stop WMP network.exe from slowing down your computer, ensuring smoother performance of all your tasks on your computer. I hope this video was useful. In case if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.